In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check spelling and grammar in Microsoft Outlook. Whether you're drafting a quick reply or a polished professional email, Outlook can help you catch typos and grammar slips as you type, so your message looks clean and confident without extra effort. First, here's the good news. Spell check runs automatically while you're typing in Outlook. As you compose your message, Outlook scans your text in real time. Potential spelling mistakes are typically highlighted, and grammar or clarity suggestions may appear as subtle prompts. You don't have to run a separate check or click a special button. This assistance is built right into the Compose window, so you can correct issues as you go and keep your writing flowing smoothly. If you prefer more control over what Outlook checks, you can easily adjust the settings. Start by clicking the Settings icon, the small gear in the upper right corner of Outlook. This opens the Settings panel where you manage how Outlook looks and behaves. From there, go to Mail, then select Compose and Reply. This section contains all the options that affect how you write and send messages, including the proofreading tools. Inside Compose and Reply, you'll see the spelling and grammar options. These are simple toggles you can turn on or off depending on your preference. If you want Outlook to highlight misspelled words and basic grammar issues, make sure those toggles are on. If you find the suggestions distracting, or you only want to spell check without grammar feedback, you can turn off the parts you don't need. The changes take effect right away, so the next time you start typing, or even in your current draft, you should notice Outlook responding according to your chosen settings.